I posted this video and it went super viral, and I had a bunch of you guys asking me to strap one of these to the A10 and fly it. So here we go. Let's do it.